us start with our stretches. The first stretch that we'll be doing is for our hamstrings, that is the back of your thighs. Just keep your hands on your side, feel the stretch on your hamstrings, and once you get comfortable, try slowly moving forward. Just move your hands forward and feel the stretch. It does not have to be painful, it has to be uncomfortable. We'll hold the stretch for 20 seconds. Just breathe out and slowly come back. Now we'll see on the other leg. If this stretch is much more advanced for you, grab a pair of bottles. I am taking yoga blocks right here. Put your hands on the blocks or water bottles and then feel the stretch. And once you are comfortable, just try slowly moving forwards. And just pull your toes right towards you so that you can extend the stretch to your calf as well. Stretching our hamstrings is very important to prevent from lower back pain as well as knee pain. Keep breathing out while stretching and slowly come out of the stretch. The next stretch we'll be doing is for quadriceps, that is the front of your thigh. 90 degrees at your knees and 90 degrees at the back knee. Take the support of the bottle or a yoga block and just stretch it out. Make sure the front foot heel does not lift off. Now while going on the other leg, we'll use it without the block and keep your palm on the knees. This is a little advanced version of the stretch. Make sure the heel of the front foot does not lift off and make sure there is no pressure on the kneecap, on the knee that is being bent, which is left in this case. Just feel the stretch on your quads, which is the front of your thigh. The next stretch that we'll be doing is for the hip flexors. Hip flexors are the muscles that are right at your hips on the front end. Here we are stretching the right hip. The leg which is at the back, you lift the same arm up and slowly and gradually feel the stretch on the front of the hips. After holding for 20 to 25 seconds, just change your leg, feel the stretch, and while exercising, just slowly breathe out. At least breathe 10 to 15 breaths out so the muscle can get that time to relax itself. Just let it go and slowly relax. The next stretch we'll be doing is for the inner thighs. Just sit in a butterfly position. Pull your feet as close to your body as you can and use your elbows to push your knees towards the floor. Just feel the stretch, close your eyes, keep your back straight and just breathe out. Exhale as if you are blowing a candle in the front. These are the stretches to help you relax your lower body muscles and also open up your hip joint to actually feel lighter and better and move freely. Now we'll move on to the lower back. The stretch is a part of Bhujangasana. Make sure your palms are right beside your chest. Just get up for 5 times and then the 5th time you'll extend completely and hold. Just breathe out when you're coming up, breathe in when you're going down. Close your eyes and breathe out. Slow and steady is what we require for all our stretches. Slowly keeping your hands right there, just push your hips back and go into the baby pose. Once you are comfortable into the baby pose, just slowly crawl your fingers forward, slowly and gradually, and extend that stretch on the back. Be very gentle with your back and do as slowly as you can and just exhale as if you are blowing a candle. Just let it relax.